Welcome to Shoot Moment YouTube channel. Today, we will learn about the popular scan effect in CapCut PC, which is widely used by editors. First, drag the video you want to apply the effect to onto the timeline. Go to the Effects tab, select Video Effects, and then click on Scan. You can use both free and pro scan effects in CapCut PC. For pro users, I recommend using Neon Flow and Holoscan. First, let's apply the Neon Flow effect to this video. After adding the effect, select it, then adjust the details in the Basic tab. Adjust the blur and color settings to modify the color and blur of the scan effect. Adjust the horizontal setting to change the area affected by the scan effect. Adjust the strength and glow settings to enhance the effect. Use the range setting to adjust the scanned area. Use the speed setting to control how fast the scan effect plays. Next, we will apply the Holoscan effect to this video. In this effect, you can also adjust the details. Specifically, you can control the atmosphere of the effect using the Atmosphere option. If you're a free user, I recommend the Blu-ray scanning effect. Apply the Blu-ray effect to the video and adjust the details as shown in the previous examples. This brings us to the end of today's short video. If you learned something new, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment with your thoughts.